Hey, good morning everybody. Today is Wednesday, July 20th, 2016. My name is Cliff Backus and this is your pushbuttonstocktrading.com daily video market review. Let's get started this morning with our spectrum analyzer. It's important that we identify where the leadership in the market is. To that end, we use HGSI, High Growth Stock Investors Spectrum Analyzer, to identify market leadership on a daily basis. Yesterday, of the 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups, 18 came from the real estate investment trust industry, 10 came from semiconductor devices, 10 from packaged foods, 6 from consumer finance, and rounding out the top 5, we had 6 from information services. These might be good places to begin looking for leadership in this market. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq Composite. Yesterday, the Nasdaq was down 19.41 points, or 0.38%. We closed at 50.36, and trading volume was higher than the prior day, giving us a distribution day. Distribution, or a day when one of the major indexes sells off at least 0.2% on heavier trading volume than the prior day, is an indication of institutional selling in the market, and too much distribution over a short period of time can be a concern. For you followers of William O'Neill, we are in a confirmed uptrend in the market. We have been since June 30th, and as noted, we have one distribution day since confirmation of the uptrend. That's not a lot of distribution, and it isn't a major concern at this point. Right now, the Nasdaq seems to be bracketed by support down here in the 49.69 area and resistance at this long-term trend line. We've seen this long-term trend line act as resistance on several occasions over the past couple of years, and we look for the S&P to break above that. If we were to break above that trend line, the next significant area of resistance is going to be the old high, which is 51.64. Our market timing model is on a buy signal. A buy signal indicates that both aggressive and conservative traders can buy, but we shouldn't be increasing margin at this point. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. But before we do that, stocks finished Tuesday mostly lower on mixed volume, as the current market rally appears to be losing steam. Volume was lighter on the New York Stock Exchange, but heavier on the Nasdaq, giving the Nasdaq its first distribution day since its June 30th follow-through day. Distribution occurs when one of the major averages closes down at least 20% on heavier trading volume than the prior day, and is generally accepted as an indication of selling by the professional money managers that move the market. Too much distribution over a short period of time can be a sign that an uptrend in the market is in trouble. That noted, both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 are trading above significant resistance, which now becomes support. For the Nasdaq, that's the psychologically important 5,000 level. For the S&P, it's its May 2015 high in the 2134 area. It would be constructive to see any market consolidation hold above those levels. Our market timing model on both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 is on a buy signal. The buy signal indicates that both aggressive and conservative traders can buy, but we shouldn't be increasing margin at this point. Investors.com is indicating a confirmed uptrend in the market with one distribution day on both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. Yesterday, declining issues edged advancers by about a 4-3 margin. New highs continued to handily better new lows. That noted, our new high, new low indicator flashed a sell signal here. The new high, new low is frequently the first indicator to note a change in market direction, but is often premature. According to our Ramosi ratio, large capitalization stocks bettered small and are outperforming on a 10-day moving average basis. Bulls prefer to see small caps outperform. We're on a buy signal on both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, but the current advance appears to be losing some steam. While traders should be fully invested, or at least approaching fully invested, they should also be keeping stops in place and current. Okay, S&P yesterday was down 3.11 points or 0.14%. Trading volume was a little bit below the prior day. We closed at 2163. The S&P is currently in a confirmed uptrend with one distribution day since the confirmation of the uptrend. That's not much distribution and certainly isn't a cause for concern at this point. The S&P is bracketed by support down here in the 2134 area and is on a buy signal. Okay, let's talk about swing trading. Swing trading is a faster and shorter term form of trading than can-slim trading. In swing trading, we'll attempt to always trade in the direction of the short-term market as defined by the relationship between the Nasdaq Composite and its 5 and 10-day simple moving averages. Our swing timing model has 4 signals based on those relationships: buy long, trending positive, trending negative, and sell short. Currently our swing timing model is on a buy long signal. Swing trading utilizes a much shorter term setup than can-slim. Those setups, both long and short, are short-term consolidations, flags, and bounces from a significant moving average. These setups can be as short as 5 days. Our swing trading targets are typically going to be a 10% profit with a 3% initial stop loss. Swing trades typically last up to 10 days and require strict adherence to our sell rules. Right now, the Nasdaq Composite is trading above its 5-day simple moving average, which we show in pink. Its 10-day simple moving average, which we show in green. And the 5-day is above the 10-day. That's our definition of a buy long signal. And so our swing timing model is currently on a buy long. We currently hold 2 swing trade positions. The first, GIMO, which we bought on a break above a flag formation on a stop limit buy at $41.54. And yesterday we bought Tesla on a stop limit buy at $227.50 on a break above a short-term consolidation. For more information on swing trading, please contact me. My contact information is on the homepage. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the homepage. Please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push-button stock trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push-button stock trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push-button stock trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of push-button stock trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of push-button stock trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.